Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my catch-all planner. It is for the week of April 19th through the 25th. As you can see, stuff is falling out of my planner. It's been busy. I am going to be using the Planners Anonymous, the star one. I'm not sure what the name of it is, but I fell in love with this sticker book. I think it is just so whimsical and so beautiful that I could not wait to use it. So here we go. I am going to start with these beautiful girls that you can see here. So I'm going to start with this one, putting her in my sidebar. I haven't been really using my sidebar in my catch-all planner very much, so I'm going to go ahead and place her down lovingly like so, and I'm gonna pull out a few things. Since this is a clear sticker, I want to make sure that I can remove some lines to add a few more items. So here we go. I am going to add this really lovely girl as well, and she has a little kitty with her. Okay, and I'm just loving all of this so much that so excited to be using this. Oh, look at this. Find me in the stars. I really like that one, so let's add that somewhere in my planner as well. Oh my, I'm loving this so much. Here we go. Okay, there it is. It's so lovely. Okay, and while I am starting to place down all of these stickers, I wanted to say thank you. If you are a subscriber of mine, if you are already subscribed, I appreciate it so much. And if you are brand new, welcome. I am so happy you found my channel, and hopefully you like it enough to subscribe and become part of my planner family as well. Okay, I don't like the position of the sticker. I'm going to use my undo, and this little spatula is so perfect for lifting up stickers. I just need to wait for the page to dry, and I'll be able to place some of these down. And I'm thinking of adding this, possibly. Maybe, let's see. Yeah, I'm not sure about it. I'm not in love with it. It makes it a little bit too busy, and it takes away from the beautiful starry kind of scenery on the bottom. So I'm going to remove this and put it back in the book for another time. No problem there. Okay, let's find something that works. I am really loving these stickers. They're beautiful. Oh, and look at these. Okay, so first I'm going to place this big box for myself. This can be many things, among gratitude lists, schedules, and everything else. So I'm not sure what I'm going to be using it for just yet. However, I know that I want it like right in sidebar / Monday area. And she's looking up at the sky. 'Cause why not? So dare to dream big. And you are a star. I'm just adding things to kind of balance them out a little bit. And again, I love when everything looks the way it does. My love is never just a phase. Okay. Yeah, these are so beautiful. She did such a great job. So I am going to add some of my checklists, and I am going to do it bullet point style again. So here we go. I am going to be adding a few bullets every single day, and then I'm gonna see how this looks and see if it needs anything else. I am truly loving how beautiful and simple these look with just simple bullets like so. Let me know what you guys think. I've adapted this, and eventually I might do some colored bullets or different things, or back to checklists. So I'm going to be mixing it up to make my planner a little bit more interesting for myself. I was kind of getting into routine of only using the Happy Planner checklist, which is amazing, but I also have so many other tools in my, let's say, tool belt of planning that I could be using, and I decided to incorporate it. Sorry about my hair. My hair is getting so long that whenever I kind of get closer to the page, everything is on my desk. I need to start pinning it up when I am planning, so again, I apologize. Okay, so here we go. Now bullet points on this side. I am so excited about this beautiful sticker collection from Planners Anonymous. I have heard about their boxes before, but I've never been subscribed to any of it, and now having these stickers, I think they are incredible, and I am so excited to be able to use them. What do you guys think? And if you have the same stickers, have you used them yet, or are you trying to save them for some special occasion? I thought April is kind of one of those months where you can use so many different things. You can use spring, you can use transitional things, still kind of springy, and we had some cold days here too, so I guess I could have used some blues in my spread as well. So kind of a fun month to plan in, and I was very excited to do one of those kind of spacey, beautiful space spreads. So yeah, that's how I've been planning, especially with the bullet points. I think that gives me enough space to write what I need to write without overwhelming my planner and making it look cluttered. I think it looks a lot more organized and it looks a lot more aesthetic. I'm gonna add some of these page flags into the empty boxes to add more decor. Let me know what you guys think about this spread, but this is it. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it. Let me know down below, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Let me pop this back into my planner, and we shall be all done for this week. Here we go. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!